The US Department of Justice and a coalition of state attorneys general have filed an antitrust lawsuit against Live Nation and Ticketmaster. This action comes after political pressure and lobbying efforts from competitors and ticket brokers seeking to limit the competition.
We are not here today because Live Nation Ticketmaster's conduct is inconvenient or frustrating. We are here because, as we allege, that conduct is anti-competitive and illegal. Our complaint makes clear what happens when a monopolist dedicates its resources to entrenching its monopoly power and insulating itself from competition rather than investing in better products and services. We allege that Live Nation has illegally monopolized markets across the live concert industry in the United States for far too long. It is time to break it up. Live Nation Ticketmaster has made itself ubiquitous in the live entertainment industry. It controls at least 80% of primary ticketing at major concert venues. It directly manages more than 400 artists and controls more than 60% of concert promotions across the country. And it owns or controls more than 60% of large amphitheaters in the United States. We allege that to sustain this dominance, Live Nation relies on unlawful, anti-competitive conduct to exercise its monopolistic control over the live events industry in the United States and over the fans, artists, independent promoters, and venues that power the industry. As detailed in our complaint, Live Nation suffocates its competition using a variety of tactics, from acquisitions of smaller regional promoters and venues, to threats and retaliation, to agreements with rivals designed to neutralize them. This has included acquiring or co-opting key independent promoters. Ticketmaster can impose a seemingly endless list of fees on fans. Those include ticketing fees, service fees, convenience fees, platinum fees, price master fees, per order fees, handling fees, and payment processing fees, among others. For fans in the United States, this illegal conduct means higher prices. In other countries, where venues are not bound by Ticketmaster's exclusive ticketing contracts, venues often use multiple ticketing companies for the same event, and fans see lower fees and more innovative ticketing products as a result.
The complaint alleges that Live Nation and Ticketmaster are responsible for high ticket prices and fan frustration in the live entertainment industry. Despite acknowledging that ticket face values are typically set by artists, the lawsuit claims that these companies contribute significantly to the problem. The lawsuit overlooks other factors contributing to high prices, such as rising production costs and online ticket scalping. Instead, it attributes blame to Live Nation and Ticketmaster for service charges and fees, even though Ticketmaster retains only a small portion of those fees. Instead, it attributes blame to Live Nation and Ticketmaster for service charges and fees, even though Ticketmaster retains only a small portion of those fees. Ticketmaster's pricing practices, marked by high fee and lack of alternatives, have long been a contentious issue. Recent controversies, such as those surrounding Taylor Swift's Eras Tour, have prompted public outcry and congressional scrutiny. This legal action coincides with broader concerns about inflation and economic fairness. President Biden has expressed support for robust antitrust enforcement, emphasizing the need for a fair and competitive market. This legal challenge echoes past efforts to curb Ticketmaster's power, dating back to the 1990s when Pearl Jam protested against its service charges. The lawsuit outlines alleged unlawful tactics by Live Nation, including threats and retaliation against venues, and describes a business model that perpetuates. The lawsuit outlines alleged unlawful tactics by Live Nation, including threats and retaliation against venues, and describes a business model that perpetuates its dominance by securing exclusive deals with artists and venues.